Good morning, boys and girls. Today we will continue with our inquiry and research project. Remember, inquiry means to inquire, to ask questions about something. Research means that we are going to use sources in order to find more information about the topic that we are wondering about. In order to follow a research plan, we need to make sure that we have covered all these steps. First, we selected a topic. We asked questions about the topic to research it. We picked resources to use for our research. We kept a record of the sources that we wanted to use, and we gave credit for the ideas that weren't ours. We organized the information that we found, and today we will decide how we want to share and present our information. While I was deciding about how I wanted to present my findings, I kept this question in mind. What is the big idea that I found when I conducted my research? And what information about my topic surprised me as I was reading and finding more information? I decided to create a poster with all the information that I found about the important job of a truck driver. The big idea in my research is that the job of a truck driver is very important, especially during times like the one we are living in right now. I decided to create a poster where I included a picture of a truck. I have my title and I have the big idea, the most important thing that I found when I was doing my research. The importance of the job of a truck driver. The big idea that I found in my research is that truck drivers hold essential jobs in our community, especially during times as the ones that we are living in right now. And then on the side, I added details about why I think that truck drivers hold essential jobs. Remember, when we have a main idea, we need to support it with details that explain that main idea. So these details help me explain to my audience why I think that truck drivers hold essential jobs. Truck drivers keep grocery stores stocked with all the essential supplies that people need. Truck drivers help keep people healthy by transporting all the necessary items to hospitals and clinics. They help keep us safe because roads and highways are repaired and built with the helping hand of truck drivers who operate those big trucks and machines that are needed in order to repair and make new highways. Truck drivers are responsible for moving and safely carrying essential items from one place to the other. Truck drivers work day and night to make sure they get to their destination as soon as possible. In the past, when technology had not evolved, truck drivers would deliver items such as ice to homes. Now we have access to ice at the touch of a button. This is a fun fact that I found in my research and I decided to include it. Truck drivers work very hard to keep our community safe and healthy. So today what I did is I created a poster having the main idea in mind, the central idea, the big idea that truck drivers hold essential jobs. And I provided supporting details that explain how truck drivers hold essential jobs. Now it is your turn to present your findings. You are going to use the information you gathered to answer your questions, and you're going to synthesize your new understandings about your topic. I want you to keep in mind, what is the big idea that you found in your research? What surprised you? You need to decide who you will present your findings to, and you're going to decide how you want to present. You may use a picture book, a written report, a poster, a video, a flyer, a keynote presentation, or a CLIPS presentation such as the ones that we created in class. There are many ways that you can present your findings. If you have anything else in mind, you may use anything else that you want to, as long as you keep your big idea in mind and you provide those supporting details. You're going to develop a draft that expresses your central idea and your findings. Remember that a draft is the first piece of information, the first piece of writing that we use in order to make corrections. You will add details that support your central idea. You can add pictures or other graphic features to help your audience understand what you are presenting. You will need to edit your draft for spelling and grammar skills. Remember to proofread and read the information to yourself and ask yourself, did what I write make sense? Make sure that you include all the information that you found in your research that you think helps support your main idea. I can't wait to see all your projects. Thank you.